Hi, I'm Candace, the artist behind Northernly Lit Artistry. Today I'm going to show you how I painted these two galaxy scenes with watercolors. I won this Grumbacher's watercolor set. They are 12 removable transparent pans. It's my first time using watercolors. I'm very excited. There will also be a video review in the near future for these paints. So we're painting with watercolors today. I'm using the set that I won from the Grumbacher's Mystery Box Monday contest. Be sure to check them out over on their official Grumbacher's Facebook fan page. This is the deluxe watercolor set. It has 12 removable transparent pans. We have yellow, vermilion, carmine, violet, ultramarine, Prussian blue, blue-green, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, raw umber, and lamp black. The set also came with this number 4 round. I'll also be using some of this set. It's Royal Langnickel, Gold Taklon, number 10, 8, 6, 2, and 1. For paper, I'll be using Canson's Watercolor Cold Press, 140 pound. These are 9 by 12 inch that I've cut in half. What I've done with this sheet is I've soaked it for 5-7 minutes maybe. You know when it's done, when you fold over the corner a little bit. If it flops over, you've soaked it too much and you've probably lost the sizing on the paper. If it doesn't bend at all, it's not finished. If it just kind of stays, you're good. This piece I taped down with just masking tape while it was dry. So this piece is now bone dry and we are ready to get started. We're going to paint a space scene today. I'm going to use the same technique of painting on both sheets. I just kind of want to see what's going to happen. So we'll start on the side that has been taped down dry. Okay, so start with a little bit of a plan in mind. This is kind of going to look like a nebula, so I'm going to have, say, yellow, then green, some reds, and some blues and purples. So we want a line going across like that. So we've got a plan in mind. What we're going to do first is wet the entire piece with clean water. My board isn't completely flat, it's tipped a little bit, so water is going to drip down instead of pooling. And let's start painting. So we'll start with our lightest color. We're going to do the yellow in the middle first. And right now I'm taking the color right out of the pan. As an oil painter, that drives me nuts, but something new today. See, the paper's already caulkling, I guess is what they call it. I don't like that so much. There are also different kinds of tape you could be using. Brown gum tape, paper tape is one. I don't have any, so I thought I would try this first, see what happens. So now I've added the salt. I laid it down flat to do so. We'll wait till it dries and see how it turns out.